Okay, we'll start the class now. It's only YouTube, by the way. I'm not sure why, but I think more people to come. But for now, I'll give you guys a quick task. Create a user input and ask them to enter their favorite food and print it out. And second is to create an array of countries and print out the length of the list. So that should take you around 10 minutes or 5 minutes.
Do an array of countries and print them out.
Yeah, so I guess that I'll ask Shreyas the first task. You can show your screen, and Niprish, you can show me the second task on your screen. So first, to create an user input, asking the user to enter the food, and then print it out. And then the second task is, to create an array of countries and print out the length. Okay, fine. I'll wait for about 10 minutes and then you can guys stop the task. Okay, am I good to go? Now, Shreyas, I'm going to prosecute you. Please show your screen. Shreyas, please show your screen. Okay, okay, yeah, Nirpesh, your second task is correct. Now, please try and do the first task. And Shreyas, you've gone somewhere. Oh, sorry, you can't share screen. Okay. Now you can. Share screen, please. Okay, fine. You seem to have some errors.
That's because I just imported. I'll delete this now.
Okay. Okay, what was the first task?
This is the first task. You said to put some countries and then print it out.
No, I want the length of it.
Oh, I've had it as that.
So what you say? Who's got length? Now print out.
Okay. Oops, the wrong file. Oh, yep, this is the length.
5. Okay. Now the first task which I gave both of you was to ask these to enter their favorite food, and then print out, food.
Wait, I'll comment this
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
because it keeps giving me errors for some reason with the.
Guys, you don't need to look at my screen, but this is the code. I'll just start going through it. Okay, so first you have to import java.util.scanner, and then you say scanner scan equals new scanner system.in. Both of you confirm if you've got that. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
You got that? And
Yeah, I've got that.
Now let's carry on. So now system.out.println favorite food string L equals scan. Okay, scan dot next line. System.out.println L. Now Nirpesh and Shreyas confirm if you got that.
Yep.
Okay, good to go. Okay. So the next thing, what were we here last week? I'm sure we were. Yes, we were here. Okay, so array lists and arrays. So we said before arrays are fixed length, whereas arrays are fixed length, whereas array lists, they have a variable collection class. Okay. We did? Nirpesh, did we go through this?
We were in the middle of it.
So we passed this stage, right? Okay, so we passed the stage that we can't change arrays. We can't change array, the length of the array. We have to go back and then say string items equals new string 5, and then items 4 equals fish, and then go at the end and then print out. Okay, it's a bit inefficient. which is why array lists come to the rescue. Array lists, we can change the length of it. It's flexible. We can change the length of it. It's flexible. And yeah, so you first say import java.util.arraylist. So again, make sure to import the module of ArrayList. Again, this Java already has built-in code for us, and then we're just using ArrayList. So this code already built in for ArrayList, we're just importing it and using it. Good. Now, secondly, we create a new object. So we say ArrayList, okay, here, ArrayList, items, call anything you want, equals new ArrayList. So we're innovating, we're creating something new. We're creating a new ArrayList. So can everyone, not everyone, both of you, please copy down that line of code, please.
Can you show your cursor which line? Hello, can you show in your cursor which line?
Guys, you can unmute yourself now. It's fine. Sorry.
What?
Before you couldn't unmute yourself. Now you can. Oh, sorry, Shreyas. Yes, your question. So, this line. Okay, let's carry on. So now, Shreyas, would you like to guess what add does?
It does add.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say it does not add. Oh, okay. Anyway, items dot add milk is simply adds milk. In this case, it looks even more easy than Java. Because sorry, it looks more easy than Python. Python you say append, in Java you just say add. So items dot add milk, items dot add egg, items dot add watermelon, items dot add chicken, items dot add toothpaste. So now the list, array list is milk, egg, watermelon, chicken, toothpaste. We could not do that with arrays. Why? Because fish, it wasn't there. As in we can't do it arrays. In array list we can add stuff in. Okay, good. Now, everyone please copy this code down. Good to continue. Okay, so now items dot for each arrows is not open. Okay, fine. So this prints out all the items in the list. Okay. So it will print out milk, egg, watermelon, chicken, toothpaste. Okay. So we say items, the name of the array, dot for each sorry guys, what's this? Hi, Avni. You just joined. I think you're having some connectivity issues. I understand.
Yes.
Okay. So, since you've just joined, I'm just gonna go through quickly everything. So, Avni, we left off with this slide last week, if you remember. Okay. So, we were on array lists. So, the way you import array lists is here, right? Import java dot util dot array list. Okay.
Okay.
And this began, so Java already has this code for us. Okay, we're just trying to import it. So just write import this. Okay, then we say array list. Okay, items, so you can call anything one, equals new array list. We're creating a new array list. So we say array list items equals new array list. Okay,
Yes.
got that. Now if you want to add stuff to the array list, we simply say items.add milk, items.add egg, items.add watermelon, items.add chicken, and items.add toothpaste. So what would I need to write down if I want to add pizza? Pizza.
Items to add pizza.
Items.add pizza, correct. Now, for each loop, okay? So what this does, it simply prints out the items in the list. So we first start with milk, then you go to egg, then you go to watermelon, then chicken, then toothpaste. Then, yeah. So it prints out individually each item. So items dot for each. Okay, you have to use this command. So items dot for each I, and then you have to put this arrow sign. So items dot for each I arrow system dot out dot print line I. Can everyone please copy this down and confirm?
What do you copy down? Like,
This line, items dot for each. Awesome. Gosh, what is this? Okay. Okay, is everyone done? Okay. I assume so because you're not speaking. Hello. Hola. Bonjour. Hello. No one. Okay, then I'm gonna continue. Okay, now if you want to remove something, what do? We say items dot remove chicken. We simply say remove. So Nirpesh, I'll go to you. I want to remove milk. What do I say?
Items dot remove milk.
Shreyas, I want to add noodles.
items to add noodles.
Avni, I want to remove watermelon. What do I say?
Items dot remove watermelon.
Yeah, that's it. It's done. Now, items dot set to cheese. Okay, so this replaces. Okay, so set replaces stuff. So now the second index is cheese, not watermelon. The second index is cheese. Okay, remember guys, Array list, arrays, whatever you want. It starts from 0, not 1. Milk is the element number 0. Egg is element number 1 or index number 1. Okay, so replace. So now I want to replace our items.set to cheese. So now the second element is cheese. So Shreyas, I want to replace toothpaste with bananas.
This is
Okay.
like a longer way, okay? Items dot remove toothpaste, and then items dot add banana.
Okay, that okay, fine. That could be a way. I mean, that would work perfectly, but there's another way. So toothpaste is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you would say items.set for comma and bananas.
Oh,
Repeat.
okay.
How would I replace the third element in my case? So in my human perspective, I want to replace the third element with mango. What would I say?
Items dot set 3 mango.
Ooh, is it 3?
No, no,
In my
2.
case, 2. Avni, how would I replace the fourth element in my case? So not the computer case, in my case, the fourth element. Okay, with burger. I want to replace the fourth element with burger. What would I say? Huh? Yeah, okay. Avni? I think you have some connectivity issue again. But how would I replace the fourth element with burger? We are having some connectivity issues. Okay, I'm not sure what issue connectivity issue you have, but anyway, let's just carry on. Items dot it's fine, Avni, it's fine. Items dot add 1 comma fish. Okay, so now I want to add fish at the first index. Okay, meaning thereby now fish is the second element and I shift all of these forward. So it's now milk, fish, egg, watermelon, chicken toothpaste, or cheese toothpaste. Or no, sorry, milk, fish, egg, watermelon, cheese, and toothpaste. Because I've shifted all of them now. Okay, and now we simply say, if you want to say, if we want to check if the array list contains something, we say system.out.println items dot contains blueberry. So this checks, is blueberry contained with an item? Is it? No, it's not. So prints out false. So Nripesh or Shreyas, let's go to Shreyas, Nripesh and Shreyas. How would I say, how would I check if rice is inside items?
System.out.println items brackets items dot contains brackets speech marks rice, and then it will check if it is rice, which obviously we know it's going to be false.
Okay, Nipesh, I'll go to you. How would I add something in the first? I want to add rice in the second index. So the computer.
Items items dot add bracket 1 rice.
Well, actually, I said second index, so in the computer's case. So
Then 2.
yeah. Okay, Avani, how would I check if mangoes are inside the array list? Avni, I can't hear you. Avni?
Yes.
Okay, now I can hear you. Yes, I think your mic was being weird. Anyway, how would I check if mangoes is inside items?
Uh,
Shall I tell the answer? I'll give you another question after that. So I would say system.out.println line. Okay, items, the name of the array list, dot contains, and then brackets mango. So system.out.println line, items dot contains mango.
okay.
So what would I say if I want to check if burgers are inside items?
Okay. System.out.print in items contains burger.
Well, with the dot and the brackets, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, with the dot and the brackets, okay. And simply, the last thing is as simple, as easy, as simple. Items.clear simply makes the list empty. So if you want to clear stuff, you say clear. This is the same as Python, by the way. Okay. Now we have left array lists and let us go into for loop. If I can move my screen. What is happening here? Okay, now the syntax for a for loop. Okay, so public class for loop. So the syntax for a for loop is you know exactly how many times. Guys, by the way, before I carry on, if you want to take a screenshot of the slide, you can. I'm gonna put the recording anyway, so it's fine. I'll wait for 5 seconds. Good. Carry on. Okay, so for loops, that means you know exactly is definite. You know definitely how many times the block of code is going to be executed. You know exactly how many times. So the syntax for for is for bracket statement 1, set statement 2, statement 3, and then do some code. Guys, stop me if you don't understand. I'll just continue if you don't say anything. Okay. Now, if you want to print out all the numbers from 1 all the way to 20 inclusive. So meaning I want 20. I would say for int I equals 0. This can be J, this can be K, anything you want. For int I equals 0, I less than or equal to 20. Semicolon. I plus plus. System.out.println I. This will print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way to 20, including 20. Why? Because I said less than or equal to. If I just said less than 20, it would print out until 19. But I said less than or equal to. So now, even if it's equal to 20, it's still going to print out. Okay. Now, let's carry on. For int j equals 2, j less than equal to 8, j plus plus. So I want from 2 to 8, inclusive. So I also want 8. And I want to increase the value each time by 1. So 2 to 8 and increase the value by 1 each time. I would say for int j equals 2 or anything you want, j, so semicolon, j less than equal to 8, j plus plus. System to add a print line j. So when j is 1, so when j is 2, print 2. Then carry on. Now j is 3. Is 3 less than equal to 8? 3 is less than 8. So print 3 out. Then add it and carry on. Now let's go here. So print all the numbers from 20 all the way down. Actually, before that, I'll give you guys a quick task. Do a for loop to print out all the numbers from 2 to 19. Yeah, sorry, yeah, 2 to 19. Yeah. I'll stop my video and I'll carry on. And guys, I want all of you to text a code in the chat. So print all numbers from 2 to 19. And guys, I want it exclusive. So I don't want 19. So remember, less than equal to, guys, is for inclusive. And less than is for exclusive. Okay, so print all the numbers from 2 to 19 exclusive. Your time starts now. Sorry, guys. Guys, once you're done, text code. Shreyas, correct. Nripesh and Avni, are you done? I'll wait for about 1 minute, 2 minutes or so. Nripesh, that is a way. I mean, it looks correct, but it looks weird that it's in the same line. Do you mind texting your actual code, please? Okay. So, actually, okay, Nripesh, when you know when you said k plus equal to 1, okay, that would work, but you can, if you're just increasing by 1, you can just say k plus plus.
Okay.
So do that and then Avni, are you done?
No.
Okay. In about a minute. Shreyas, you couldn't hear. What do you mean?
When you were sharing your screen, I thought you might have been speaking.
Oh, no, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Shreyas and Ripesh, yeah, well, you've got your code correct. Avni, do you want to share your screen? Maybe we can all help in fixing it. You there? No. You are not there. Okay. Fine, I'll just continue. So the next task, not the next task, the next thing we're gonna do is print all the way from 20 down to 2 and decreasing the value each time by 1. So you can say for int a equals 20. Now the initial number is 20. A is greater than 2. A minus minus. So now this one is going up. So we said plus plus. This is going down. So we say A minus minus, and we change the sign. We say greater than, not less than, greater than 2. But this is exclusive. So you can print out 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, all the way to 2. Now, okay, next one. Print all the numbers from 0 all the way to 20 by increasing the value each time by 2. Guys, stop me if you don't understand, all 3 of you. Okay, for int k equals 0, k less than equal to 20, k plus equal to 2. So here, j plus plus minus minus, these are all for 1. Decreasing and increasing by 1. If you want to increase a value by more than 1, we say the value plus equal to 2 or 3 or 4. So if I want to go in steps of 2, I would say for k equals 0, k less than equal to 20, k plus equal to 2. If I want to go in steps of 3, I would say k plus equal to 3. System to out the print line k. Okay. Sorry. Now I want to do all the way from 30 all the way to 3 inclusive by decreasing the value each time. So for int L equals 30, L is greater or equal to 3. Okay. L minus equal to 3. So L minus equal to 3 means it goes down in steps of 3. Then system to out the print line math.pow. So math.pow means to the power of. So if I want to say, so I would say system out the print line math.pow L, comma 2, meaning system to out the print line L to the power of 2. So L squared. If I want to say L cubed, I would say system to out the print line math.pow L, comma 3. Ripesh, what would I say if I want to do to the power of 4?
System.out.println bracket math.pow bracket L, comma 4.
Yeah, in this case is L. But you know, like normally if you have any number, you can do that. So 26, for example. Okay.
Okay.
Avni, Shreyas, yeah, thank you. Avni, what would you say? What would I say if I want to do to the power of 5?
Actually, Adam, connectivity issue, so I couldn't hear you.
For how long? For how long? For how many minutes?
I don't exactly remember.
Okay. Did you get this part? The for loop part?
No.
You also didn't get that part? As in you couldn't hear that part?
Yes, I couldn't.
You couldn't hear it. Ah, okay, fine.
I will just see the recording in the YouTube.
Okay, but I'll just quickly go to this one. If you want to increase the value by 1, you would say for int I equals 0, initially, I less than equal to 20. Okay, that's inclusive. I plus plus. Okay, system.out.println I. Fine, let's carry on. So to the power of is mat.pow and then L comma 2. If you want to do to the power 3, I will say mat.pow L comma 3. Okay, now let's go back and let's create an array. String planes is equal to Boeing 777, Boeing 747, and Airbus 380. Sorry guys. Okay, then I would say for string P. So string P colon planes. System.out.println P. This prints out again all the items individually. So if I go here, and then if I, okay, sorry guys.
Can't see your screen.
I know, and just give me 1 second. Guys, give me 1 second. Z dot.
Excuse me.
Yes,
When will the class finish?
30 past.
What?
Well, it's 1:30 in the UK.
Okay.
So 6 o'clock your time.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, here. So I said string Z square brackets equals DDSS. Okay. Now for string I colon Z. So for string I colon Z. System.out.println I. And if you run that code, it would print out this. Now, before I move on, does everyone understand how this works? All of you unmute.
I didn't really get the string IZ.
Okay, okay, I'll explain again. So for string I, so that's it I, okay?
Oh, okay.
Colon means in, a colon, Z, then name of the array. Okay, I'll just call it LSG to make it simple. Okay? System.out.println I. You get it now?
Oh, I get it. Thank you.
Okay, and Avni and Ripesh, do you both understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Now let's carry on. Okay. And yeah, and okay, one more thing. So if I want to print out hello 5 times, I would do for int I equals 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, system.out.println hello. So I'll go here and I would say for int I equals 0, I less than equal to, let's say, I want to print out hello 3 times, I plus plus, system.out.println hello. Should work. Yeah, and see it printed out hello. Well, 4 times. Okay, let's make it 1. Yeah, 3 times. Okay, so when I is 1, it prints out hello. When I is 2, it printed out hello. When I is 3, it also printed out hello. So now all of you, do a task for me. I want you to print out your name 6 times using a for loop, and text your code in the chat, please.
Can you repeat the task?
Print your name 7 times. And all of you, huh? Sorry?
Should I print my name 7 times or 6 times?
7.
Okay.
And then once you're done, please text your code in the chat box.
Okay.
Do you mind sharing your screen? Oh, sorry. Oh no, that was half an hour ago. That was half an hour ago. Shreyas, I'm checking your code now. And you are correct. Corrected. And we'll wait for another patient, Avani. Oh yeah, you're correct. Yeah, Shreyas, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, fine. Shreyas, do you know why it's printing out 8 times? Because you said int I equals 0. Okay, it's also printing out Shreyas when I is 0.
Oh, sorry, I'll do it.
You mute yourself.
I will make I equal to.
Again, you mute yourself.
I said I will make I equal to 1.
Again, you mute yourself. I'm joking.
No, I did it.
I'm joking. I'm joking. Just 1 second. Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you, sure. Nripesh and Avni, are you both done? Excuse me. Huh? I am gonna take that as a no. I'll wait for it too. Let's see. No stress. We'll just wait. No stress.
Excuse me.
Yep.
I'm not able to open my Eclipse.
Use an online editor for now. Oh wait, go. Okay. Avni, I'm gonna send you an online editor. Please use that. Confirm if you can see it.
Yes.
Okay. Nipesh, I am checking your code. Nipesh. You're missing. You just did one mistake. Actually, two mistakes. One. Wait. Never mind. No, it's meant to be from. Okay, so yes, I wanted you to print out 7 times, and I'm not sure why you have I plus equal to 3 there. Do you want to explain?
Oh, I forgot to change the code. Sorry.
And then, yeah, okay. Yeah, change it quickly. And Avni, you can do your code there, and I'll just wait for about 2 minutes, and then we'll continue.
But it's
Yeah.
not opening still.
Can I please see your
Yeah.
screen?
Okay.
Let me wait. Let me just stop sharing the screen. Okay, she can share the screen now.
Yes.
I just
Oh, now it's opened.
Oh, okay. So I've done some magic, haven't I? The moment I come, everything comes to the rescue, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so you've done the best. Thank you. Now you can do your code. Thanks, Trace. Nipesh. Okay, yeah, correct, Nipesh. Just one more thing. For you, it did print out 8 times, okay? Why? Because when I was 0, it also printed out Nipesh. So what you have to do is now you have to do I is equal to 1.
Okay.
And then see if it works. And yes, Nirpish, you are correct. Avni, are you finished?
No, I'm not getting it.
Do you want to share your screen? We can all help.
Yes.
Okay, share your screen. We can all help. Okay, fine. So you haven't done anything. Okay, fine. I'll just control your screen. Actually, no, I won't control your screen. You write down. So you start with writing 4. Sorry, you start writing 4. Inside it. So inside the function. No, as in not FO, as in the actual word 4, as in like 4i. So
I
you
can't understand.
okay, don't worry. I'll request control.
In S. Yes.
Okay. Enter. So we do 4. Okay. Do you get that part? Okay. Int. I can't type. Int I equal to 0. I less than equal to or less than 7. What is less than 7? I plus. So I'm 0. Okay, so it goes from 0 to 6. Why? I've said less than. If I said less than or equal to, what would the output be? Without equal to is 0 to 6. With the equal to, less than equal to, what's going to be the output? Avni. So without the equal to, it's just I less than 7. So what's the last number that's less than 7?
6.
6. So print out 0 to 6. Now, what's going to be the output though? If I print out I. I've said less than or equal to. So is it going to print out 0 to 6 or 0 to 7 now?
0 to 6.
Oh, but I said less than or equal to.
Oh, 0 to 7.
Yeah, because if I said equal to, that also means that it's also equal to. So even if I is equal to 7, it's still going to print it out. Okay? So now system.out.println. Avni. Let's run your code. And it should work. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, because we are meant to say I is equal to 1, or we can just say yes. Okay, let's run your code again. And print out Avni sometimes. So can you do this code again? Yourself? Okay, we're watching you.
But I didn't really understand the middle part.
Okay, so do you understand the for loop? So for int I equals 0, I less than equal to 7, I plus plus. Do you understand that part?
No.
No. So I is 0 at start. Okay?
Yes.
You get this part. Now, I is less than or equal to 7. So I is either less than equal or is either equal to 7. If it is less than or equal to 7, I plus plus. So increase it by 1. This is the same thing as saying I equals I plus 1. Okay?
Yes.
You get okay, fine. And then each time it loops, I simply say Avni. And that's it.